Hello again, it's Wednesday, June 4th, 2014. Sorry, my hands are shaking a little bit. I have no idea what those yellow colored frames are. What are they for? But looks like a cement footing, long one there, between the crane and the camera here. Darn, that cement footing's got to be 200, 250 feet long. You can, from here you can see several of the piers sticking up from the river, and the green stuff is the steel reinforcement rod. There was an article in today's Gazette, Wednesday, June 4th, about how many miles of steel reinforcing that you're using for building the bridge, and pictures from a boat tour you can now take where you can get up and close, and people from Minnesota Department of Transportation, Wisconsin Department of Transportation can answer questions from people on the boats. I don't know how much it costs to go on the boat. I might take one of those tours. It sounds interesting, but check my other videos. I've been taking videos of the bridge construction now here and there when I have time. Thanks for watching. Bye.